Okay, now that the rim is off, or the tire's off, I'm just at that rubber piece, and that looks like it's in good shape. So I'm going to go inflate a tube slightly, and then we're going to put the new tire on. I don't know whether it's really necessary or not, but I'm going to put a little baby powder on around this rim. Make my tires smell good. And then we're going to put some air in here. I think I need a tire on there. Looks good. Alright, let's let some air out of here because that's too much air for right now. So you can see I let some air out of it. I want a little bit in there when I put it in, but not too much. Let's put the new tire on. Okay, now this is the voice of experience. I have my rim face up this way. I want to put the inside edge on first, so that'll make it easier for putting the tube on. I didn't do that the first time, and I actually had to do it twice. But let's put my soap here. And we're going to put this puppy on. I think I'm actually going to set it on the ground to do this. Yep. Let's get it started. It's not too bad. Okay, not too bad. Alright, I probably should have done this before, but I'm going to also sprinkle a little baby powder in on the tire. Now comes the fun part. Sticking the tube in there. Okay. Tube is in. Valve is lined up. Looking good. Alright, I'm just going to add a tiny bit more air. Hopefully we'll hold that in place. And a little bit of soapy water around there. Alright, let's put this puppy on. I'm going to use the curled end. Make sure I don't hurt the tube. Alright, it's on. Just lining up my valve. Good. Next, I'm going to just do a visual check along the rim here, make sure I'm not pinching the tube anywhere. Inside. Over here. Nope. Twist the rims and my valve stem is straight out. Let's give it some more air. I'm watching right here to see that it all seats. Another check. I'm looking for a good seat along here. Looks good. Let's keep going. I'm shooting for about 30 pounds in here. Tire calls for 32. I'm just starting out with 30. Okay. Tire's got air. White walls are all clean. All we need to do now is go get them balanced. And that's how I did the tire. Hope you found this informative.